Hello guys, welcome to our channel GK Vidya. Today's topic is current affair and general awareness for the day 27 December, which is very exclusive and available only on GK Vidya. So let's begin. News number 1. The United Nations, the UN and World Health Organization, the WHO, marked December 27 as the International Day for Epidemic Preparedness. So Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus is the chief of WHO, and the headquarters of WHO are in Geneva. PM Modi, in an address to the nation, announced that children in the country between the age of 15 to 18 years will get COVID-19 vaccines start from January 3rd. The news number 3. Tamil Nadu government has launched the Chief Minister's CM Dashboard monitoring system. CM Dashboard Tamil Nadu 360 in Chennai. The CM of Tamil Nadu is M.K. Stalin and Governor is R.N. Ravi. News number 4. DRDO has successfully conducted the flight test of indigenously developed high-speed expendable aerial target heat Abhyas from Integrated Test Range ITR Chandipur off the coast of Odisha. The DRDO chairman is G. Satish Reddy. DRDO was founded in 1958. The headquarters is in Delhi. Next news. Bangladesh under-19 women's team won South Asian Football Federation U19 Women's Football Championship in Dhaka after defeating India by 1-0 at BSSS Mustafa Kamal Stadium, Dhaka in Bangladesh. Bank of Baroda Financial Solution Limited (BOB Financial Limited Solution Limited), a wholly owned subsidiary of Bank of Baroda and Indian Navy. Bank of Baroda and Indian Navy has launched a co-branded credit card for Navy personals. So there is a co-branded credit card for Indian Navy personals from Bank of Baroda. People in Switzerland will be able to legally change gender by a visit to the Civil Registry Office from January 1st, putting the country at the forefront of Europe's gender self-identification movement. Dr. Imtaz Suleiman, an Indian origin philanthropist and a founder of disaster relief group Gifts of the Givers, has won the prestigious South African of the Year award. India ranked third among dope violators in the World Anti-Doping Agency (WADA) latest report titled 2019 Anti-Doping Rule Violations (ADRVS) report. Russia topped in the list, followed by Italy. India and Maldives signed an MOU between the customs of two countries for the joint launch of a pilot project on pre-arrivals customs data exchange in a virtual ceremony. This ceremony was held virtually. The 97th edition of the World Sangeet Tansen Festival started in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. The center extended Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana till March 2022. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe our channel GK Vidya and don't forget to like, share and comment.